Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I created this beautiful smoky eyeliner. I started with the eyebrows. I'm using the LANCOME Le Crayon Sourcil in the shade 010 Blonde. And I'm filling her eyebrows. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infaillible Concealer in the shade 324 Oatmeal to clean her eyebrows. And I'm using the same concealer as a base for the eyeshadow. And now I'm setting the concealer with powder. You can use a eyeshadow or you can use powder. Since we are going heavy on the eyes, I just prefer to start with the eyes first and then go into the skin. I'm starting with the Morphe 3502 palette. And I'm using the color Universal as a transition color. And I'm using tape to get a more defined eyeliner. Now I'm using the Maybelline Less Than Drama Gel Eyeliner, using it as a base for the eyeliner, smoky eyeliner. You don't have to draw a perfect line, you just have to draw a normal eyeliner, and then we're gonna blend that into the eyeshadow. Now from the same Morphe palette, I'm using the color Dust and I'm blending the eyeliner. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm taking the color Stone and I'm using it to darken up the eyeliner and in the same time blending it with the other colors. And as you can see, I'm telling her to open her eyes so that I can see how it looks when she has open eyes. Now I'm taking the darkest brown, which is called Muddy, from the same palette, and I'm using it only on the edges of the eyeliner. We don't want to go too far with this color because it can look a bit messy, so only on the eyeliner. And then I took the first transition color, which is Universal, and I'm blending all the colors together. Now I'm using the shade WHIZ, which is a black eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm applying it only on the edges. Now I took off the tape, and as you can see, we have a nice definition of the smoky eyeliner. Next, for the skin, I'm using a serum. And I'm using a moisturizer. And then I took the M.ASAM Perfect Tint and I'm using it only on the T-zone. For the under eye, I'm using the BOBBI Brown Eye Cream and I'm applying it with my fingers. Now for the foundation, I went for a matte looking foundation, so I used the L'Oreal Paris Infaillible 24-Hour Matte in shade 09 Light Sand. And as you can see, this is a medium to full coverage foundation. And now I'm contouring her face on the forehead, on cheekbones, nose, and the lips. Also, I'm contouring her jawline and the chin. For the concealer, I'm using the same concealer that we used as base for the eyes. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infaillible in shade 324 Oatmeal. This is a really good full coverage concealer. I really like it and I use it on all my clients. And I'm blending it with a brush. You can use a sponge or you can use a brush. And I'm tapping all over her face with the foundation brush so that we don't have any harsh lines and we can blend everything together. Now I'm using the concealer brush and I'm blending under her eyes so that we don't have any creasing. Then I took the Makeup Revolution translucent powder and I'm setting her under eye and all over her face. Now using the Makeup Revolution HD Pro Powder Contour in Fair, and I'm using this shade to bronze up her face. Now I'm taking a contour shade from the same palette and I'm contouring her nose. I always like to start with the tip of the nose. I like to contour the tip of the nose first and then go on the bridge. And then I'm using the same contouring shade, and I'm giving more definition to her cheekbones. Using the Maybelline Lash Syndrome Gel 24 Hour, and I'm lining her waterline. This is a really dark eye pencil. Then I took the shade Universal from the Morphe palette, and I'm blending it under her eyes. The same thing for the shade Stone. And then I took the shade Muddy, which is a darker brown. I'm using a smaller brush. And then I took the shade WHIZ, which is a black eyeshadow, and I'm applying it on the edges. Then using the LANCOME liner plume, and I'm lining her eyes. Just a small line. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is one of the best drugstore mascara. Then I'm taking the Maybelline gel eyeliner that we used as a base for the eye look, and I'm lining the lash line. Then I used some highlighter. For her lips, I'm using the ORIFLAME Tender Cane Protecting Balm. Then I'm using this waterproof lip liner in shade 201 from FLORMAR. And for lipstick today, I'm using the ARCANCIL Rouge blush in the shade 342 Nude Rose. Then I took the LANCOME Color Design Palette Cream, and I'm applying it only on the center of the lips. Then I used the FLORMAR Wet Lips Lip Gloss. The blush, I'm using the KIKO MILANO Waterfower Magic Blush, and for fixing her makeup, I'm using the Golden Rose Makeup Fixing Spray. This is it. I really hope you guys like this video. This is my second video, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, goodbye.